Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm bringing you a bit of a different video. There was an offer on a subscription that I have seen before. I've really been intrigued and I was desperate to try it, but with the move and everything I just thought it'd be silly. But coming up to the festive season, I thought I'd try it out. It's a stationery subscription, and you bought one and you got one free from their previous boxes. And I thought I'd get this month's and then see what next month is like as well. Hopefully I get another box in time for festive season, although this month is quite festive. So what I'm talking about is Papergang, I really said it differently, by Oh Deer. I've seen this advertised everywhere and I love stationery. So this is the November box. It's really festive. It's like got a Nordic theme. Comes in a sleeve that has make a reindeer cut out on the back. It's like letterbox friendly, but it's quite heavy. So I got this one, and the one I got free was this one. I don't know what month it's from, but I haven't opened them, so I wanted to do a bit of an open on camera. So this is it looks festive, so I don't know whether it's because they don't think one will come out before Christmas, or maybe it doesn't come out before Christmas enough. I don't know. So you take the sleeve off, and you get a cardboard box which seems to have some bits cut out on the back. Can you see here? And there's some little holes at the top here, so I don't know what they're for, so maybe it tells you. And then you open it up and it says, "Ping, we think of fun ideas for the coming months. We work with illustrators over the globe or our in-house team to design the products. Our illustrative creations are brought to life in stationery form. Yay, a box full of papery goodness arrives at your door. For every 4 boxes we make, 1 tree will be planted in association with Tree Aid." That's good. "And we want to see your boxes. Simply share your photos with us using the hashtag paperbag." But I keep saying paper bang, but it's because I want to say paper bag. Papergang, hashtag papergang. So inside it says Merry Christmas or whatever. And then we've got a 20% off your order with the code Baubles for Oh Deer. And Oh Deer is like it's a little bit like Paper Chase. It's got that feel to it. Oh, it's got some beautiful things in here actually. And it also reminds me of Tiger as well. More Paper Chase prices though. So yeah, looking good, looking good. So I'll have a look at that. And 20% off is really good. So you can use that, Baubles. There you go, I'll give that to you guys. So the box comes wrapped up in tissue paper, and there is some gold washi tape. That looks really good. There's quite a lot of it on there as well. And there's some tissue on there, but I'm sure that'll be fine. So some gold washi tape is the first thing I see. Okay, so let's open it up. Oh, okay, so there's a Papergang by Oh Deer booklet, and inside it says, box number 45, your limited edition contents. Oh, 6 times Christmas cards, A5 to-do list, gift wrap, that's good, gift tags, coaster and washi tape, which I've got here. It says, "Be cozy. A seasoned greeting card veteran, Kong Yu Wong, is the creative behind a plethora of Oh Deer designs, the latest of which is this month's Papergang box." And it gives you a link to them and talks about them, and it's really, really cute actually. It's just an insight into who created it. That's good, isn't it? And it says, "Let's get social. Share your boxes using hashtag Papergang on our Insta, and read more about this month's artist over on the blog at the Papergang." Oh, I didn't realise they had a separate Insta. Then it says blog.ohdeer.com, and then shop.ohdeer.com, and you always get 10% off with the code Papergangster. So there's 10% off as well as the Baubles one. So that's really good. So the first thing I see is this coaster, and I need a coaster for work, and this is going to be the most festive coaster in the office. This is perfect. It has little tiny houses and little tiny trees, and it's definitely something that I associate with like a Nordic theme. I really like that. The second thing, oh God, these are adorable. Are these little tiny Christmas cards, and it says, "Oh dear, 6 Christmas cards and envelopes." And are they all individually? No, they're exactly the same. So they've all got Santa Claus with a little Christmas tree on his back. There are 3 tags here. It says, "Be merry, be jolly, be cozy, to and from." They're gorgeous, actually, really nice. I'd be so happy if I saw those. You get a little card with the month. Oh, that's good, because you could just use this whenever you wanted. So I could put December up there, and then I could just have that as a little card. Oh, I like that. That's super cute. It's good as well, because if you get the box outside of the month, then of course that's going to be personalised. Like, you can personalise it really easily. That's really cute. Oh, this is quite hefty. So this is the to-do. Oh, this is a good to-do list. So it's like this mint green with the, obviously with the illustrations on. You've got your to-do list here, notes and doodles in this bit. And there's a space up here to sort of say maybe the date or something. See if I can get it closer, you can see it, because it's quite pale. Every page is the same. Seems to be quite a lot of pages though. It's like quite thick. Paper quality is really nice. You can tell it's paper that's been recycled as well, which is good. With it being a paper thing, I guess you need to be sure that it's going to be ethical, environmentally friendly, etc. And then there's this gorgeous wrapping paper. This is stunning. I've got Secret Santa coming up, and I think I might wrap my Secret Santa with this present. I don't know what that's going to, with this wrapping paper, sorry. Wrap up the present with this wrapping paper. I don't know what I'm getting them yet. And it says it's printed on 100% recycled paper, right here in the UK. Oh, I really love that. That's so cute. Imagine having that under your tree. It's lovely. I love that. Oh, stationery is just so joyful. And that is everything. What I don't understand is why there's like slots and stuff here. Oh shit. Sugar. I don't know if it's to stand things up to show them. Maybe. I'll give that a go. I'll have a look at that. I don't want to cause any more mess. Okay, so I'm going to open this mystery box that we got for free. On this, the illustration, I absolutely love it. It's like really neon, and you've got, it looks like King Kong, yeah. It says New York, and you've got like tall rise buildings, there's Big Apple. It looks like it's a New York scene, so that's good. And then on the back it says, cut out in craft washi tape dispenser. Read the booklet inside for a step-by-step guide on how to make your own washi tape dispenser. That's so funny. I can't talk today. So this is what we have. So it says the same thing. Oh, it looks like this is for something. So I'm going to find out what it's for, because it's almost like you put stuff in there. I can't really work out why or what. Comes with pink tissue paper this time. The last one was white. Okay. So, they've wrapped this one well. Okay. So the first thing I see is the washi tape, and it says NYC, got pizzas, pretzels, hot dogs, Big Apple, and a yellow taxi on it. So that's the washi. Again, there's loads on there. It's not a thin lot of washi tape. That's great. I got very addicted to washi tape at one point, so this is really good. So I'll be keeping that. And then, is there a booklet in here today? I can't see a booklet. There's a card that says, "Oh dear, hit the town." Oh, that's a really nice birthday card. And actually, I've got somebody's present to buy for their birthday. So tomorrow I'm giving them a card, and because in the move I just can't find anything, this would be ideal. This is so cute. It says Jacqueline Colley. Looks like this is her illustration, so that's really cute. I like that. Oh my god, this is amazing. So there's a little pin. Let me just get it the right way so you can see it properly. And it's like a rose gold pretzel. That is so amazing. That is going on my handbag. I've been collecting pins on my handbag recently, and this is another one to go on it. I love that. And then we've got this, which is just it looks like a print that we could put into a nice frame. I actually really like that. That would look really nice in our office, so I'm going to pop that up. Ooh. It's another to-do list pad. This time it's more of like a desk pad. So you've got my week, then you've got the weekend, notes and to-do. So it's almost like a little desk planner. Oh, this is so cute. This is adorable. I love this. And then finally, there wasn't a booklet in there. That's frustrating. Oh, some more wrapping paper. So, oh, it's so nice. Isn't that just so nice? You know, this is such good quality stuff as well. I really like this. This is adorable. This would be really good as background for photographs if you were doing things like beauty photographs or anything like that. It'd be really good as well to cut out for if you're bullet journaling or anything like that, which I used to do, but I just don't have time for. But yeah, oh my gosh, this is so cute. There seems to be a theme of what you get, and I don't know whether it's the same each time. I love the little badge. That is adorable. So it looks like you get a bit of wrapping paper, a pad, a card, what else was in there? Some washi tape, and then you get like an additional. So I had the coaster for the Christmas one, and then I've had, there should be like a diary in there. I suppose, oh, I got the brooch, and then I got this as well, didn't I? And this one, like the print off, which wasn't the diary. I love that. I'm really, really, really chuffed. I think this is a really nice subscription. I believe it's, I want to say $14.99 per month. I'm going to get this next month. I probably will cancel for January because, you know, it's a time for saving and not for spending too much. So some of these things would be really lovely gifts as well. So we'll see. I love these. So thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think. Are you part of the hashtag Papergang? Or have you been looking for a stationery subscription, or have you never heard of one? Let me know down below. Give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.